In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate photos so that you can edit photos in the Photos app and then keep your original. Open the photo that you want to edit and then make your edits. First, I'll turn the saturation all the way down to -100, and then I'll turn the contrast up. I want to keep two versions of the same photo. Tap on the three dots and tap on duplicate. You'll see two options, copy and duplicate. If you select copy, it just copies the photo to the clipboard so that you can paste it into other apps like Notes. If you tap on duplicate, you'll notice that a duplicate will be placed in your camera roll right next to your edited photo. In order to get back to your original photo and remove the edits that you just made, just tap on the three dots once more, and then you can select Revert to Original. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.